Okay, now we are going to try doing trinomials times trinomials, and this involves a lot of work. Okay, for this one I'm going to be using now 3 different colors because I'm multiplying by 3 different terms. So I will start with the 4x squared. Now I'm going to have to do 4x squared times 3x squared. That gets me 12x. Let's see, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4x squared times 11x is going to be 44x cubed. And 4x squared times 6 is 24x squared. Okay, now I'm going to go to that middle term, which is the 8x. So 8x times 3x squared is 24x cubed. 8x times 11x is 88x squared. And 8x times 6 is 48x. And now we do 3 times 3x squared, which is 9x squared. 3 times 11x is 33x. And 3 times 6 is 18. Now we combine like terms, like always. My highest degree here is 4, and it does not have anything to match up with it, so I'm just going to keep that as 12x to the 4th. I'm going to cross it out so I know I'm done with it. Now looking at the x cubes, I have 24 plus 44. That is 68x cubed. Cross those out, and now looking at the x squared ones, I have 24, 88, and 9. Add those up, and I get 121x squared. And then looking at the x's, I have 48 and 33, which is 81x. And 18 does not have a buddy, so it stays the same. Okay, let's do one more together, and then you will have 2 of them to do on your own, as you can see at the bottom there. Okay, here we go. 2y squared times y squared is 2y to the 4th. 2y squared times negative 2y is negative 4y cubed. 2y squared times negative 3 is negative 6y squared. Negative 4y times y squared is negative 4y cubed. Negative 4y times negative 2y is a positive 8y squared. And negative 4y times negative 3 is a positive 12y. And the last one, 2 times y squared is 2y squared. 2 times negative 2y is a negative 4y. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Highest degree is 4, and it doesn't have anything to go with it, so that just stays as 2y to the 4th. Looking at these 2 here, that's going to be negative 8y cubed. Looking at the y squared ones, I have negative 6, positive 8, and positive 2. And that is 4y squared. Looking at the y's, I have 12 minus 4, so that's 8y minus 6. There's the answer. Okay. Now you have 2 to do on your own. Go ahead and do these, and then you can come over and check them with me. And then you'll have a few more to do.